Hi students, now numerical number 4 in Carnot engine. If the energy input to a Carnot engine is thrice the work it performs, find the fraction of energy rejected to the sink. Now we have studied the efficiency of a Carnot engine. So the expression for efficiency in general. So efficiency is equal to the output of the engine divided by the input. So what is that output? This is equal to Q1 minus Q2 divided by Q1. Is it not? So the input to the engine is what? Q1. And the output is what? Q1 minus Q2. This is the work done by the engine. So this also can be written as 1 minus. So 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Now what it is given? The energy input to a Carnot engine is thrice the work done, 3 times. So here it is given that the input, the energy input is equal to 3 times the output. Okay, 3 times the output is given. Also, now we are going to substitute. You see here, what is the efficiency? So I will write, therefore efficiency is equal to output by input. Is it not? So this is output. Output is W means input is 3 times the output. So this is 3 times the W. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 3. So this is one step. This is one equation. Next, I am going to substitute for efficiency is also equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1. So efficiency is also equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1, and this is equation number 2. Have you understood what is given in the problem? Okay. So from the given information, we have got efficiency is equal to 1 by 3, 1/3. And this is also equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1. I am going to equate these two. Okay. So from 1 and 2. So from equations 1 and 2, I can write 1 minus Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1 by 3. Now this Q2 by Q1 I will shift to the right side so that it will become positive, and 1 by 3 will come to the left side as negative. So the same equation can be written in the other way. So Q2 by Q1, okay, Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. Now this is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. What is asked in the problem, you see here, find the fraction of the energy. Fraction of the energy rejected to the sink means it is equal to Q2 by Q1. Understand? This is the fraction of the energy rejected. Therefore, fraction of the energy rejected is given by Q2 by Q1. So Q2 divided by Q1 is equal to 2 by 3. So this is the answer. This is one different type of problem. This type of problem will be molded as a multiple choice question. Understand that? So if they mold this as a multiple choice question means here the fraction of the energy rejected to the sink is again 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Like that, the different options will be given. So you have to work it out. Understand the question? You work it out. Understand? And then you find out the answer. So Q2 by Q1 is equal to 2 by 3 is the answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.